Welcome everyone. Now in this video we have to complete short sums of Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Okay. See what is our first sum? 10 contestants are ranked in a beauty contest by two judges and the sum of square of the differences in their ranks is found to be 214. Find the rank correlation coefficient. See 10 contestants means n equal to 10, sum of square of differences, that means it is sum means sigma, square and differences means d. Okay, so sum of square of differences is sigma d square. So here we have to given n is equals to 10, sigma d square is equals to 214, and equation is asking for r equal to question. Okay, now see, uh, we have to just put formula in values in our formula. R equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n of n square minus 1. It is equals to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square 214 upon n is equals to 10 into 100 minus 1. 10 square is 100. 100 minus 1. So it is equals to 1 minus 6 into 240. It gives us 1284. 1284 upon 10 into 99 is equals to 990. Okay. So 1 minus 1284 divided by 990. It is equals to 1.30. 1.30. So our answer is R is equals to minus 0.30. Second sum is the coefficient of rank correlation of marks obtained by 10 students n equal to 10 in two particular subjects was found to be 0.5. That means R is already given. Later on it was found that differences of the rank, differences means D, ranks of a student was 7, but it was taken as 3. Okay, find the correct value of correlation coefficient. See, actually student's rank is 7, but it was taken as 3. That means this is wrong value. 3 is wrong value and 7 is correct value. બરાબર છે, તો આપણે ચેન્જ કરશું. પહેલા ઇન્ફોર્મેશન રાઇટ ડાઉન કરી લઈએ. 10 is equals to 10, n equals to 10, r is equals to 0.5, 0.5. Okay, now see, difference of ranks means D. Correct value of D is actually 7 and the wrong value of D is equals to, okay, see again, read this line. Difference of the ranks of a student was 7, but it was taken as 3. Okay, so actual rank is 7 and wrongly it was taken as 3. Find the correct value of R. Okay, see, for solution first we have to find correct value of D square. તો પહેલા આપણે ખોટી કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરવી પડશે. તો કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરીએ સિગ્મા ડી સ્ક્વેરની. R is equals to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n of n square minus 1. So it is equals to, R is given by 0.5. Sorry, R equal to 0.5 equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square is not given. Sigma d square upon n is equals to 10 into 100. N square is 100 minus 1. Okay, now 0.5 equals to what? 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon 990. Okay, now moving this 1 to left hand side. Okay, it becomes negative. Therefore, minus 0.5 is equals to minus. See, 990 by 990 divided by 6, we will get 165. Sigma d square upon 165. Okay, both sides minus minus plus. Therefore, sigma d square equal to what? Sigma d square is equals to 0.5 into 165. And we will get sigma d square is equals to 165 into 0.5, 82.5. But it is the wrong value of sigma d square. Okay, now we have to find correct value of sigma d square. Correct value of sigma d square. Okay, sigma d square is equals to, actually 82.5 is actual value, 82.5. Okay, now see what happened. Correct value is 7. It was wrongly taken as 3. But it is d square. So we have to add 7 square and subtract 3 square. Okay, so it is equals to 82.5 plus 49 minus 3 square is 9. So 82.5, wait, आपको एक साथ ऐसे करेगा कि 82.5 plus 49 minus 9, it is equals to 122.5. 122.5 is correct value of D. Okay, now we are finding correct value of R. Correct value of R is equals to 1 minus 6 sigma D square upon n into n square minus 1. Therefore, R is equals to what? 1 minus 6. But sigma D square we have to take 122.5 divided by n of n square minus 1 is 10 into 100 minus 1. So it is equals to 1 minus 6 into 122.5 into 6. 735 divided by 990. 990. So it is equals to 1 minus 735, sorry, divided by 990. 0.74. 0.74. And 1 minus 0.74 gives us 0.26. So R is equals to 0.26 is correct value. It is our answer. This is our third sum, but it is very easy sum. For 10 pairs of observations, sigma d square 120, find the value of rank correlation coefficient. Okay, very easy question. We are applying directly formula R is equals to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n of n square minus 1. So it is equals to 1 minus 6 sigma d square is given by 120, n is given by 10, means 10 into 99. Direct put kar diye, 0 0 cancel out. So 1 minus 72 divided by 99. It is equals to 1 minus 72 by 99. 72 divided by 99, 0.73. 0.73. 1 minus 0.73 equal to 0.27. So 27 is our answer. Okay, now sum number 4. Daily calorie intake of 10 persons means n is equals to 10. N is given by 10 is x and their weight is y. The rank correlation coefficient from the information is 0.6. On subsequent verification, it was noticed that the difference of ranks x and y for one person was taken as 2 instead of 4. Was taken as 2 instead of 4 means 2 is wrong value. 2 is wrong value. આ જ વસ્તુનું આપણે ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું છે. ઓકે, find the correct value of a rank correlation coefficient. ચાલો, so first in solution n is given by 10. N is equals to 10. R is equals to 0.6. Correct value of D. Correct value of D is 4 and wrong value of D is 2. Wrong value of D is equals to 2. Okay. So first of all, in order to find the correct value of R, we have to find correct value of sigma D square. Okay. First find out wrong value of D square. R equals to 1 minus 6 sigma D square upon n of n square minus 1. Therefore, R is equals to 0.6 equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma D square. We don't know what is sigma D square upon n equal to 10 into 99. 100 minus 1 equal to 99. Okay, moving on to other hand side, we will get minus 0.4 equal to 6 sigma D square, minus 6 sigma D square upon 990. Okay, therefore minus 0.4 equal to minus 990 divided by 660, 990 divided by 6 is equals to 165. So sigma D square upon 165 left. Therefore, what is wrong value of correct, D square? Sigma D square equal to both sides minus minus plus. 165 into 0.4 gives us 66. So, wrong value of sigma D square is 66. Okay. ચાલો તો આના ઉપરથી આપણે correct value find કરવાની છે. Correct value of sigma D square. Okay. So sigma D square is given by 66. We find 60. Sorry. Now add square of correct value. Which is correct value? 4. 4 square. And subtract wrong value. Square of wrong value. Sorry. 66 plus 16 minus 4. Okay. So 66. 16 minus 4 equal to 12 and 66 plus 12 is equals to 78. So correct value of sigma D square is 78. Okay, now find out R. R is equals to our correct value of correlation coefficient. R equals to 1 minus 6 sigma D square divided by n of n square minus 1 equals to 1 minus 6 into sigma D square. Here we find 78. 78 divided by 990. 990 equals to 1 minus. First 6 into 78. It gives us 468 divided by 990. 0.47. 0.47. So 1 minus 0.47 gives us 0.53. So correct value of R is 0.53. Okay, now sum number 5 and last sum of this chapter. The information of health index X and life expectancy Y is obtained for 10 people. Means N is equals to 10. Okay, and is given by 10 people. This data are ranked to These data are ranked to find the rank correlation coefficient, and the sum of square of the ranks was found to be 42.5. Okay, so what is this 42.5? Sum of square of ranks was found to be 42.5, means it is sigma D square. It is also observed that health index 70, it is important point, health index 70 was repeated 3 times, and life expectancy 45 was repeated twice in the data. Means this short sum is based on CF. Find the rank correlation coefficient using this information. Okay, first of all we have to write given data. N is equals to 10, N is equals to 10. Sum of square of deviation sigma D square is given by 42.5. Okay. By remaining information, we have to find CF. Okay, for CF, we have to prepare a table of CF. Uh, First column is repeated observations. Repeated observations. Repeated observations. Observations. Number of times observation is repeated. Okay, and then by m cube minus m by 12. Repeated observations is 70, 70, 70 repeated observation, and similarly 45 is a repeated observation. But 70 repeated for 3 times. So m is equals to 3. Here we have to write m. M is equals to 3 and 45 repeated for 2 times. So m cube. 3 cube is 27 minus m equal to 3 by 12. It gives us 2. And here 2 cube is equals to 8 minus 2 by 12. 8 minus 2 by 12 equal to 6. 6 by 12 0.5. Okay. Therefore, total of m cube minus m by 12. Total of m cube minus m by 12 is known as CF. CF is equals to 2.5. Okay. After finding CF, we have to find R. R is equals to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n of n square minus 1. Sorry, is sigma d square plus CF, because it is based on correction factor, upon n of n square minus 1. Okay, now put in the values. 1 minus 6 into sigma d square is given by 42.5. 42.5. CF here we find 2.5. 2.5 upon n. N is given by 10. 10 into 100 minus 1. It is equals to 1 minus 6 multiplied by 42 plus 2, 44 plus 0.5, 0.5 45, so 45 upon 990. Okay, 990 ने कट करो तो यहाँ से 165. So 1 minus 45 divided by 165, 0.27. 1 minus 0.27 gives us 0.70. So R is equals to 0.73 is our answer. So I hope કે તમને શોર્ટ સમમાં પણ ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો છે.